Now let us look at a problem where when you reduce to partial fraction you will have complex roots. So you have x by x square plus a square. So when you take x square plus a square equal to 0, so that will give x equal to plus or minus a I. So this will be in the form a by x plus ia plus b by x minus ia. So when you reduce to the partial fraction, so for equating the numerator, you will get a into x minus ia plus b into x plus ia. So let me put x equal to ia. So when x is equal to ia, so that implies so you have ia equal to 2ia b varum. So b is 1 by 2. Now when x is equal to minus ia, so that will give minus ia equal to minus 2ia into capital A. So again capital A will be equal to 1 by 2. So therefore y can be put in the form 1 by 2 into x by 1 plus ia, sorry 1 by x plus ia plus 1 by x minus ia. So now this is in the form 1 by ax plus b, random 1 by ax plus b formula. So let us write down the nth derivative. So therefore yn will be equal to 1 by 2 common varum minus 1. For first term in the nth derivative minus 1 whole raised to n factorial into 1 raised to n by ax plus b. Appo x plus ia whole raised to n plus 1 varum, and for the second term the derivative will be minus 1 whole raised to n factorial. Again a value is 1 raised to n varum, x minus ia whole raised to n plus 1. So that is 1 by 2 and minus 1 whole raised to n, and n factorial is common. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ബാക്കി വരുന്ന 1 by x plus ia whole raised to n plus 1 plus 1 by x minus ia whole raised to n plus 1. Now our y was a real function. Now here complex terms are involved in the derivative. So we will express this in the form of real values. So for that we are going to apply the De Moivre's theorem. അതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ ആ ഫോർമുല വേണ്ടത്. cos theta plus I sin theta whole raised to n will be equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So here we will use a substitution, x equal to r cos theta and y equal a equal to r sin theta. Okay. So therefore r will be equal to root of x square plus a square, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of a by x varum. So therefore let me first find the expression for 1 by x plus ia whole raised to n plus 1. So ഇതിനെ എനിക്ക് r, so x is r cos theta plus I r sin theta whole raised to n plus 1 varum. So this will be 1 by r raised to n plus 1. So now this can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta whole raised to minus n minus 1. So I can write it as 1 by r raised to n plus 1. Now apply the De Moivre's theorem. So this will be cos minus n minus 1 theta plus I sin minus n minus 1 theta. Now you know that cos of minus a will be equal to cos a, and when you take sine of minus a, that will be equal to minus sine a. So we will get 1 by r raised to n plus 1. So this will be cos n plus 1 theta minus I sine n plus 1 theta. So therefore 1 by x plus ai whole raised to n plus 1 will be equal to this, and similarly when you take 1 by x minus ia whole raised to n plus 1. Okay, അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇപ്പോൾ 1 by r raised to n plus 1 cos, അപ്പോൾ ഇടയ്ക്ക് മൈനസ് വരും, അതായിരിക്കും ഡിഫറൻസ്. സോ cos theta minus I sin theta whole raised to minus n minus 1 വരും. So that is 1 by r raised to n plus 1. Again cos n plus 1 theta plus I sin n plus 1 theta വരും. So that will be the value of 1 by x minus ia whole raised to n plus 1. Now we need in yn the sum of both of this. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും സൈനിൻ്റെ ടേം പോവും, അതായത് ഐ വരുന്ന ടേം പോവും. സോ യു ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ഗെറ്റ് 2 by so 2 by r raised to n plus 1 cos n plus 1 theta വരും. So when you add both, so yn will be minus 1 whole raised to n factorial by 2. So when you add both the values, you will get 2 by r raised to n plus 1 cos n plus 1 theta. Now 2 will cancel off, so you will get minus 1 whole raised to n factorial by r raised to n plus 1 cos n plus 1 theta. Now here r will be root of x square plus a square, and theta will be tan inverse of a by x. So you can leave your final answer in this form. Just r ഉം തീറ്റയും എന്താണെന്ന് അവിടെ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യും. Okay. Next problem is to find the nth derivative y equal to 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So when you find the roots for x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, so roots will be minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 by 2. So you will get minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. So partial fraction ആയിട്ട് reduce ചെയ്യുക. So you will get y equal to a by x minus minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i plus b by x minus minus 1 by 2 minus root 3i by 2. Now equating the numerator, so numerator is 1. So you will get 1 equal to a into e term varum plus b into x minus minus 1 by 2 plus root 3i by 2. Now let me put x equal to minus 1 by 2 minus root 3i by 2. So that will give the value of t as I by root 3. And x equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3i by 2 കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എയുടെ വാല്യൂ കിട്ടും. എയുടെ വാല്യൂ 1 by root 3i വരും. Now നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ minus 1 by root 3i വരും. ഇനി minus 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന I square ആണ്. So you will get I by root 3. So here a will be 1 by root 3i and 1 is minus I square, അപ്പോൾ minus I square by I. So that is minus I by root 3. So therefore y can be put in the form, so this is the form of y reduced to the partial fraction. Now let us write the value of yn. So yn will be, now this is in the form 1 by ax plus b. So that is minus I by root 3 പുറത്ത് വരും. So minus 1 whole raised to n factorial. A is 1, so 1 raised to n. X minus 1 by 2 plus root 3i by 2 whole raised to n plus 1 വരും, plus I by root 3, again minus 1 whole raised to n factorial, 1 raised to n by x minus 1 by 2 minus root 3i by 2 whole raised to n plus 1 will come. And now let us simplify this term. ഇനി നമുക്ക് റിയൽ വാല്യൂയിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. So for that let me take put x plus 1 by 2 equal to r cos theta. So here the real part is x plus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 equal to r sin theta. So therefore r will be equal to root of x square x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of root 3 by 2x plus 1. So that will be the value of theta. So we have r and theta now. Okay. So yn will be equal to, be getting in the form yn equal to minus I by root 3 minus 1 whole raised to n factorial. So നമുക്ക് r and theta substitute ചെയ്യാം. You can put in the form 1 by r raised to n, or the term cos theta minus I sin n theta power minus n minus 1 വരും. Then second term you have 1 by r raised to n cos theta plus I sin theta whole raised to minus n minus 1 വരും. Now let me take all the common values together. Upon minus 1 whole raised to n factorial, I by root 3 is common. So here you will get minus, okay, r raised to n plus 1 common ആണ്. So minus of e minus 1 അകത്തേക്ക് വരും. Minus of cos n plus 1 theta. Now sin of minus will be, sin of minus a is equal to minus sin plus I sin n plus 1 theta ആയിരിക്കും വരാൻ പോകുന്നത്. And ഇവിടെ ഇത്രയും ടേംസ് വെളിയിൽ പോവും. ബാക്കി വരുന്നത് നമുക്ക് cos n plus 1 theta minus I sin n plus 1 theta. Now cos രണ്ടിടത്തും cancel ആവും. So you will get minus 1 whole raised to n factorial I by root 3 r raised to n plus 1. So you will be getting minus 2i sin n plus 1 theta. അപ്പം I square വരും. I square will be minus 1. So minus 1 നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ, ആ മൈനസും ഈ മൈനസും കൂടി ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. So minus 1 raised to n factorial 2 by root 3 raised to n plus 1 sin n plus 1 theta. Be the required value of yn, where r is equal to x plus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of root 3 by 2x plus. So that is the required value at the end.